Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda CX-3 key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a fresh CR 2025 battery, which is commonly available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver to help with opening the casing. Finally, have a soft cloth ready to protect your key fob from any scratches during the process. These simple items will make the battery swap smooth and easy. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Begin by finding the small release button, usually on the side or back. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. With the blade removed, you'll see a small notch. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch and gently twist to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It's time to replace the battery. Before you remove the old one, take a quick look at its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR 2025 battery. Now, insert your new CR 2025 battery, making sure it's oriented exactly the same way the old one was. This ensures proper function and avoids any issues. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are seated correctly. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they've snapped shut. Reinsert the emergency key blade. Now, test your key fob to make sure it locks and unlocks your Mazda CX-3. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.